Not a lot of time today, so today's quick eats, we're going to do some chicken quesadillas. You see in my Ziploc baggie there, I have 2 chicken breasts that have been seasoned with a little bit of cilantro, some adobo. We're going to sprinkle in some paprika and some chili powder, and we're going to let all of that bathe in some avocado oil. We're going to put that all in the bag, and we're going to shake it up. Shake, shake, shake. We're going to put it in an air fryer. There's an air fryer stand, air fryer basket. We're going to set it in an air fryer for about 20 minutes. And while this goes into the air fryer, we're going to go over and toss our corn in the butter, corn on the cob. Oh, the chicken is done. So we're going to slice that. It's been in the air fryer for about 20 minutes. As you can see, I'm slicing it because this is going to be the meat that's going to go into our quesadillas. As you can see, it is piping hot. I have my knife there, my fork. I'm slicing and I'm dicing. Oh, this meat is really hot. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to set the chicken breast aside, set one of them aside, that is, and I'm going to continue dicing for the first quesadilla that's going to be prepared. So I'm slicing and dicing. Oh, this is going to be good, y'all. I know this is going to be good. Just enough for quick eats for me and my husband today. As I said, I'm short on time this evening, so we needed something that I could get ready within 30 minutes or less. So this does a trick, and that all forever lovely air fryer. If you don't have one, get one. Okay, the chicken is ready. I'm going to set my pan, going to spray it with a little olive oil spray, nonstick spray. I don't know why I did that. Generally, I don't put in any spray because with these quesadillas, they don't stick. You know, the flour tortillas that we're going to be using. So I'm setting my stove over there. I'm going to prepare the tortilla. I'm going to lay the tortilla down. That's the bed for the quesadilla. All right, I'm going to sprinkle in some cheese. I have some Colby Jack cheese. I'm going to sprinkle, sprinkle, sprinkle. You can vary on the cheese if you want it heavy, if you want it light. We like cheese, as you can see. Now that I have the cheese all spread out, I'm going to start layering my chicken. After a little bit more cheese, I see. So we're going to go ahead and put that chicken in. We're going to spread it on. We're going to add that chicken onto the cheese. We're going to try to get it in evenly to the one side of the quesadilla. Because what we're going to eventually do is we're going to fold that bad boy over. Now that I have the quesadilla in, I didn't have time to roast any green peppers, onions, or anything like that to go into the quesadilla. So I'm going to use some of that Mateo salsa. Y'all, that Mateo salsa, if you haven't had it, we're using the medium flavored here. It is really good. So we're going to fold up that quesadilla. We're going to let that bake a little while there on the stovetop. I'm pressing it down just to make sure that everything is ushy and gushy together. Oh yeah, I am using a fish turner. That's what we use to turn our fish when we're cooking our fish. But hey, it does a trick for the quesadillas, and I'm just pressing along, pressing, 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 pressing. Yes, gonna make sure we get all that cheese to the ends of the quesadilla so it helps to seal. What I'm doing is helping to seal the quesadilla and also pressing down so that that bottom layer gets nice and toasty for us. We're going to let that cheese melt for a couple of seconds. Oh, I can't wait. I can't wait. I can't wait. Chicken was good. Told you. It was good. It's good. It's good. All right, while that is cooking, I'm going to go ahead and slice my second chicken breast. What I'm going to do is have this prepared so when the first quesadilla comes out of the pan, we'll be ready to pop in that second. So I'm doing as I did before. I'm slicing and dicing the chicken breasts, making sure that the pieces of chicken are not too thick. As you can see, this stuff is still hot. The air fryer, again, y'all, I don't know how many we've gone through because we use it so often. Just about every meal that we do is done in the air fryer if it's not grilled. Or baked. We really don't even fry with grease and all of that anymore. Everything is air fryer. Okay, so now that this baby is about to come out of the pan, what I'm going to do is I'm going to turn it over, check it one more time, make sure it's golden brown. On the side, I can see right now some of the cheeses are oohing and gooing out of the side. Oh, this is going to be really good. We're going to take that out of the pan. Get out of there. Get out of there. Come on, get out. Yes. Ooh, one solo piece of chicken. One lonely piece of chicken. All right, I'm going to put that second quesadilla over there. And while that is getting golden brown and the cheese is getting bubbly inside, I'm going to take my pizza cutter. And I'm going to cut up 3 triangles. There you go. 3 triangles. Quesadilla is complete. Now we're going to plate. And on the plate, I am going to put the 3 quesadillas. And then I'm going to also on the plate for dipping, we're going to add a little bit of guacamole. Don't know if you have an Aldi that's close to you, but they have these little individual guacamoles. I like getting the spicy. So what I did was I took 2 packs and I whipped that together. Then we have some sour cream where I put a little bit of lime juice and cilantro for dipping. And then, oh, y'all, yes, this salsa here, one of our loves. I've tried the mild, but I prefer the medium. So we have that. And we're going to also put that on the plate. We're going to top it and plate it. And voila, there you go. It was good.